Okay, question 1 is as follows. Start the following map and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so what you need to do is pay attention, study the map, just like I said earlier on, and also take note of the key here. You should also understand the key here, and also you should also understand the compass here. Okay, so once you have done that, then you can go to the actual questions. So let's go to the actual questions. So question 1A is as follows. Name two types of fish caught in Lake Tanganyika. Name two types of fish that are caught in Tanganyika. So one, that is booger fish. Okay, booger fish. Okay, so it can be booger fish or now perch or pamba. These are also fish caught in that. Then there is also we have got Mplungu Carpenter, which is lake sardines, okay, or lake sardines or carpenter. Okay, these are fish that are caught. These are types of fish that are caught in Lake Tanganyika. Okay, we go to question number 1B, which is what means of transport do the tourists visiting the historical site A use? So let's go identify the site A. Okay, historical site A. Where is it? A, it's here. Here we have circled. So what mode of transport will they use? Okay, so as you can see here, there is no indication of any water body. Okay, there is no indication of any water body. So that means this is just land. So the kind of transport that can be used can be either by motor vehicle, okay, plane, or we can also talk about train or airplane. Okay, so they can use these kinds, and also bicycle can be acceptable. So the possible answers of transport that can be used, it's aeroplane, motor vehicle, train, or bicycle are also acceptable. But apart from these, you can also mention the mode of transport that can be used, like we can talk about by road, by railway, and by air. Okay, these can be acceptable. So people can reach this historical site by using the road, things that moves on railway line, things that moves by air. So like you can mention train, motor vehicle, aeroplane, all these are acceptable. Okay, we go to question number 1C. 1C is saying, what is the plantation crop grown in Mazabuka? So in Mazabuka, what is the plantation crop grown in Mazabuka? That is sugarcane. You and me know that Mazabuka is well known for producing sugar because they grow a lot of sugarcane in that area. So sugarcane is the correct answer. Number 1D is give one hydroelectric power station HEP found on Kafue River. Okay, so on Kafue River, you are going to find these three power stations. One, it is Tezi hydroelectric power station. We're also going to find Kafue Upper Gorge hydroelectric power station. Then you are also going to find Kafue Gorge electric power station, which is lower. Okay, so lower Kafue Gorge hydroelectric power station. So from these three, you can pick one and write it. All these three are correct. They are found on Kafue River. Okay. We go to question 1E, which is state an indigenous tree found in hardwood forest. Okay, an indigenous tree found in hardwood forest. So the one, I'll give you two. So the first one is Mupapa. B, or the second one is Mukwa. So you can either write Mupapa or Mukwa. Now, these are just two of the hard trees. There are so many trees that you can talk about. There is Kaimbi, Mutobo, Musenshi, all these, they are there. But I'll give you these two, Mukwa and Mupapa. So you can pick these two and you can use them even in other exams. Okay. We come to question 1F, which is, why does the government encourage the establishment of softwood plantation? Why does government encourage the establishment of softwood plantation? So, number one, to conserve indigenous forests. Number two, to provide alternative source of wood. Since they want one, I've given you two, so those are the ones. You can pick one from those and write them. Okay, we go to question number 1G, which is, mention 3 effects of rapid population increase on the physical environment in Lusaka. Mention 3. So, one is land degradation. So land degradation, so that means the land is destroyed or the value of land is reduced. Two, that is noise pollution. There is noise pollution. Okay. The second one is noise pollution. The third one is pressure on health and educational facilities. That means you find a lot of schools, they face issues of over enrollment. You find in class there are more learners than expected. Okay, so this is what happens. You find the class has got 100 students in class, 100 plus learners in class, 100 by one teacher. Okay, so that will be pressure on health and education facilities. When it comes to health, that is, there is a lot of people that are visiting hospitals because they are sick. Okay, so the other one is overcrowding on the streets and the households. Okay, so you find that because there are a lot of people in Lusaka, many of them, they don't have formal jobs. Yes, they'll go into streets and start selling so that they can earn a living. That's why you see a lot of demolishing happening in Lusaka, or they are destroying a booth, or they are destroying this market because it is on the area where it's not supposed to be, because people, they learn out of options. So whatever they see land, they want to use it for personal gain, and then okay, just like that, then they make money. And in households, you find that because people are many and they cannot afford good houses that can accommodate them, you find that people are renting a two-roomed house and they are 8. Okay, a two-roomed house, they are 8, the mother and the father, and there are some grown boys and girls who are sleeping at a second, they are sleeping in a second room, which is regarded as a sitting room. Okay, which is, the house will be more crowded, whereby a normal living a family of 8 members should have at least a 3-bedroomed house. Okay, at least 3-bedroomed house. Okay, so those were the answers for question 1 in section B. We go to the next question.